Hello friends, how are you? Hope all of you are well. In the blessing of God, we have come again to introduce another video, and it is on joining with noun clause. Welcome to our channel VBFA. I, Sujit Dhara from Vivekananda Bright Future Academy, going to explain it with examples and illustrations. Please listen to me and try to understand it attentively. If you understand it, you will like and subscribe it. Let's start. Hope you will not skip the video in the middle point. If you do so, you will not understand it.